Hey everyone. So in this video I wanted to show you some of the testing kits that I actually carry on my truck on a daily basis. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and please like this video. Thank you. And so one of the first test kits that I'm going to show you is the K2005 Taylor test kit. By the way, I'm going to have a link in the description where you can pick up any of these if you're interested in them. The K2005 test kit is this one right here. This is actually the kind of test kit that they use in the pool stores. So if you're taking your sample in to the pool stores, that's usually what they're going to be testing your pool water with, is the K2005. I do recommend residential pool owners to be able to, in between visits, go ahead and check their own chemicals. So that is a very solid test kit. I highly recommend that kit. That's my main go-to kit. Here I have a phosphate test kit. This is by Taylor, and this right here is the K1106. This right here is a highly accurate test kit up to 6,000 parts per billion of phosphates. And that is my go-to kit to test all of my counts for phosphates. Then I have the 7-way test strips by Aquachk, and this is really a good solid test strip and works very well, very accurate. And then followed by that, I actually have the shock check. And now I've not done a video on these, but essentially what this product is going to do is it's going to tell you when you need to shock your pool. How it does that is it actually checks for combined chlorine. So if you have chloramines that have built up, it's definitely time to shock your pool, and it's actually going to show you right here. It's going to show you, let me see if I can zoom in here. Okay, it's going to be the total chlorine and the free chlorine, and it's going to actually show you when to shock. So that's the easiest way of telling if your pool needs to be shocked. Like I said, that's the Aquachk shock check test strips. So the only thing that I do not have in front of me right now is the salt test strips, and the reasoning is the label has worn off, so you wouldn't be able to tell what kind they are. So thanks for all the new subscribers and to all the viewers, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.